Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts. Make sure the Microsoft account you use on Xbox is the one you'll sign into on the PC client. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on your Microsoft/Xbox account. This prevents link failures and protects progress. Install Marvel Rivals on your PC and have both Xbox app and game client open. Next, sign into the Epic or in-game account prompt. This is how platform data syncs, so don't skip verifying the exact email address shown. Now link the accounts through the game or Epic account portal. Open Marvel Rivals, go to Account or Settings, then select Link Accounts. Choose the Xbox/Microsoft option and follow the OAuth sign-in prompt. This authorizes cross-save and profile access. Make sure you accept all requested permissions so unlocks and purchases can transfer. After authorizing, look at the confirmation screen. Verify the displayed email matches your Xbox account, so you don't accidentally link the wrong profile or finish by restarting Marvel Rivals and confirming your Xbox profile, characters, and purchases appear on PC. If something's missing, sign out of both clients, clear the game cache or credential cache, then re-authenticate and relink. This refreshes tokens and often fixes sync issues. Make sure to record account ID and the exact time you tried linking. If problems persist, contact support with those details so they can reconcile accounts. A single relink after cache clear usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.